In this video, we are looking at a headphone from Taiwan, made in Japan, to be precise, but the brand is from Taiwan. I'm not exactly sure if they are from Taiwan or they have some association at Taiwan, but this is not Chinese, and that's a big thing. This is a rare commodity in my inventory. It's a headphone priced at I think $1,000. This one is not exactly a new model, but is a refreshed version, or as they say, enhanced version of one of their existing headphone. This is the CZ-10 Crosszone CZ-10 enhanced. So I'm not exactly sure what they have done with this and what they mean by enhanced here. This is the box. There's supposed to be a cable too. Yes, we will look into these two things. Let me put this aside. Huge box. So this is the headphone, Crosszone CZ-10. CZ-10 I think can be bought for $600 used, and CZ-10 enhanced is not exactly listed anywhere. In any case, this is the CZ-10, the cheapest headphone. They have two more. There was one CZ-1, which is their flagship and was a limited edition headphone priced at 2000 or I think $2,500, and the CZ-8 is priced at if I'm not wrong $1,500. 15 CZ-8 is $1,500, and CZ-10 enhanced, I'm not very sure what is enhanced here. You can say Tokyo office, Okaya Development Center factory. So this got shipped from Tokyo Crosszone Limited, but somewhere I remember seeing that there is some Taiwan association too. I'm not very sure, but I think I saw somewhere some association with Taiwan or anything like that. In any case, CZ-10, it comes with two cables, 1.5 and 3.5. Instruction manual, warranty card, doesn't matter. Those things are useless. I definitely will like to see a good case here. I hope there is one. If not, this is a very expensive headphone without a case. Okay, so no case. No case. This is a beautiful looking headphone in any way. Very good looking headphone. Crosszone. And the good thing about this one is that just look at this. Look at this. There are multiple drivers here, and this is one that is exposed. This is the 23 mm driver, and there is a 35 mm driver inside it, I think, if I'm not wrong. So it's a multi-driver headphone. Not only looks good, but is supposed to be high quality too. If we look at the padding and stuff, let me increase a bit of brightness here. Good padding, everything looks fantastic, but no headphone case. We get two cables. Here is one. I'm not going to use this one for sure. This is 3.5 mm to 6.5, and there is one another. This is 3.5 mm. That is kind of funny. They could have used just used a adapter 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm. 3.5 mm goes in like this. We will do that later with the more upgraded cable. So this is the case box. There is no carry pouch or anything like that. So this headphone is supposed to be stay like this. In any case, this is the upgrade cable, 4.4 mm Crosszone upgrade cable, and this one is a bit of expensive too. I think $380, and you guys can see there is some premium stuff here. Very good looking cable. I'll take this off. I do not want to damage the cable at all. So this one is supposed to be 1.5 meter. Oh, high quality cable, but there is a bit of shielding here. I'll take it off. Crosszone upgrade cable, high quality upgrade cable here. I think this one is priced at $380. I'm not exactly sure, but I think this is 380 something dollar. Let me put it in. Is there any left right channeling here? Yeah, R. There should be an R here too. No R. Come on. Just it's very confusing at times, especially with newer stuff. It is very confusing. I'm not sure how to where to look for the channels here. No idea. I have no hint at all. In any case, I'll just put it in at this point of time, and I will check with the channel balancer, and I will know. So yeah, that is that. So this is in. This is gonna open here. It's gonna look funky for sure, no doubts about that. And this one is folding, so I do not have a lot of issues while storing it. You can sit flat like this and can be folded on the neck like this. So very flexible. In any case, this is, you can see the hinge, very flexible, very fantastic, very good flexibility here. So that is a great thing. I do not think I need to open it that big. So this is going to be one of the most exciting headphones. I'm not exactly sure what is the retail price of this, but I think it is $1,000. In any case, this is the unboxing of Crosszone CZ-10 enhanced with upgrade cable. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.